Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of coding and explore how it's becoming increasingly crucial in our digital age. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the rise of the digital age. We're seeing an increasing reliance on technology in every industry, from healthcare to finance to entertainment. This growing reliance is driving a demand for software solutions, and that's where coding comes in. Coding is the backbone of software development, and it's becoming a vital skill for professionals in every field. Whether you're a doctor, a lawyer, or a teacher, understanding coding can give you a competitive edge. Now, let's talk about automation and AI. Coding is the backbone of AI and machine learning, and as we automate more and more tasks, skilled coders will be in high demand to design and maintain these systems. Lastly, let's discuss the universal applicability of coding. It's no longer limited to tech industries. In fact, coding is becoming a valuable skill for professionals in various fields such as healthcare, education, and even the arts. So, there you have it. Coding is becoming increasingly important in our digital age, and it's a skill that can open doors to a wide range of industries and careers. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of coding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech-related content. Until next time, happy coding!